Okay, so as a women's health expert, I come across so many funny, bizarre, and strange terms for the word vagina. Now, why we're not just calling a vagina, I think it makes people uncomfortable. I think people are a little bit awkward or it's taboo. But the funny thing is, some of these other terms are even more awkward than the actual word. So I'm going to share with you some of the comical, funny, and weird ones that I came across in my research. Fanny. Fanny is like a British word for vagina, but what's kind of funny about it is that in here in America, when I say fanny, I think about your butt. So that can get very confusing very fast, especially in the medical arena. Vag. Vag is brisk and to the point. Kind of a little abbreviation if you're in a hurry. You don't have enough time to say vagina, you just say your vag. Maybe it's a little less awkward for many people. I like this one. Yoni. This word is related to a symbol for a Hindu goddess. So it's very spiritual, sweet, beautiful, and empowering. Then we have the P word, or pussy. This one is people like it or they hate it. Many of the younger women are finding this empowering. Some people are offended. Of course, if you're a male and someone calls you a pussy, that's a bad thing. But you can take it or leave it. Bits. Kind of like the pieces that are at the bottom of the chip bag or the bits. I don't know about this one. Maybe it sounds a little old-fashioned, perhaps. Minky. This one only reminds me of saying my minky is stinky, so I don't like this one at all. Foof. That might be acceptable until you're about 10 years old. After that, let's get rid of this one. Thingy. I used this one until I was about 12 years old. Anytime I had to tell my mom that there's something going on, like my thingy, something hurts in my thingy. So this one's okay if you really are super awkward. Vajayjay. Who doesn't love a good vajayjay? You get a vajayjay, and you get a vajayjay, and you get a vajayjay. I like vajayjay. I think that one's funny, but if we're in a serious conversation, let's just say vagina. Vagine. Rhymes with tangerine, I guess. Vagine. Maybe it's French. I don't know. That one, I feel like the people who say target instead of saying target would say vagine instead of saying vagina. Twat. I dislike this one very much. It sounds kind of like some tangled up yarn or a lump of something. Not a good term. Let's not use that one. And then finally we have downstairs. That one could be comical if you were actually talking about downstairs. So for instance, it's feeling kind of musty downstairs. We had a leak downstairs. It got flooded downstairs. What exactly are we talking about? So you guys, let's just use the actual word vagina. There's nothing wrong with it. It is an anatomical part and it is empowering to be able to use the actual word. Let me know what terms you prefer for your vagina. What do you like to call her? Comment below and let me know.